She's made in a chunky yarn. So soft. Jane, this is absolutely amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. She'll be able to sit her up on the shelf in her nursery, and then the baby, when she's a little bit able to cuddle it, she can have it and cuddle it and go to bed with it and cuddle it. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Look. Oh, it really is making me want to make one. Look at this. Look at its little bum. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Jane, I am so bowled over. Thank you so much for sending these. This is so cute. Look, she even got a little friend with her. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning.